Hey guys, Shreyaan here, and OnePlus has launched a new phone. They're calling it the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord isn't only a phone, it's also a series. So OnePlus Nord comes in two colors right now, Onyx Black and Blue Marble. As you can see, OnePlus settled with a OnePlus 8-like design. The OnePlus Nord has 4 rear cameras and 2 dual-facing front cameras. The OnePlus Nord comes with a Snapdragon 765G, 8 or 12 GB of RAM, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. As you can also see, the OnePlus 8 also has an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor and a 90 Hz display. And the OnePlus Nord also has 180 Hz touch sampling rate, which means it can basically sense touch 180 times a second, which is pretty great for the price. The OnePlus Nord handles everyday tasks like a champ. It has no issues whatsoever, and the touch sampling rate and the refresh rate makes it look even faster. The fingerprint sensor on the OnePlus Nord is about the same as seen in other OnePlus phones. Now for the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord. The OnePlus Nord comes with a TPU case, the OnePlus Nord itself, and a 32-watt charger. So this is the same charger that we're used to seeing with other OnePlus phones. So it means that it basically charges the phone from 0 to 70% in 30 minutes. Now for the cameras on the OnePlus Nord. The OnePlus Nord comes with a 48 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. This is the launch availability of the OnePlus Nord. The OnePlus Nord comes with a 4115 mAh battery and has support for 33 fast charging. Other features include Nfc Dual Sim Support, dual band Wi-Fi with 2x2 MIMO antennas. Now for the price of the OnePlus Nord. The OnePlus Nord starts at €399 and 27,999 INR. The OnePlus Nord has a very reasonable price considering the specs. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and catch you guys in the next one.